Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connect.
In today's episode, you'll hear 3 people who get revenge on those who wrong them. The first story, Opie comes to his friend's aid after a scumbag boss keeps writing bad checks. The second story is a controversial one that involves Opie getting revenge on his ex-wife. And we'll finish off with a business owner who should be careful what she wishes for. My friends, I do hope you enjoyed the stories today, and hit that subscribe button for future revenge stories. Let's dive in. So, a friend of mine was employed as a barista for a coffee shop with a couple of locations. Well, the owner turned out to be a grade A scumbag. He started paying the employees with bad checks, not giving them their tips if they were paid on a credit card, things along those lines. He was, of course, stealing from the business to fund his own lavish lifestyle. My friends were pissed and quit shortly after the nonsense started, and of course, the business shortly went under. But if that's all that happened, this would not fit in for revenge. Now, my friend was out a few $1,000s. I'm not exactly sure how much, but enough that it was a serious hit to their budget. And they weren't the only one. This creep was a classic con man, writing checks to cover bad checks, and using all the delay tactics you'll ever see, such as, oh, the bank must have messed up, just redeposit it. And of course it comes back as a bad check a week or 2 later. Lots of shady stuff. But he was a good con man. All told, 8 people were getting screwed over in excess of $20,000. So, one afternoon, my friend is telling me the story. He's so sick and tired of being conned by this creep, as well as everybody else. And here's where the pro-revenge part begins to come in effect. I start digging into the business owner, a lot of public record stuff, and some of it I learned from my friend, or their coworkers. But I started to learn a lot about this scumbag. 1, he's got multiple felonies in his past. I'm all for giving people a second chance, but this guy wasn't that old. And he had racked up easily a half-dozen felonies. Number 2, one of his convictions was for being a felon in possession of a firearm. Number 3, he was currently on probation for the above conviction. And this is where things start getting interesting. A little more light digging, and I come up with the name of his probation officer. When I sat and talked to my friend about what I'd found about his prior employer, he happened to mention that he had seen firearms in his apartment. So now is where things get really interesting. I put my friend in contact with the scumbag's probation officer. It turns out that when you're on probation, there's a lot of things that you're not allowed to do. One of them is to commit more felonies. This is an automatic revocation of your probation and will land your happy butt back in jail. Oh, and knowingly passing bad checks in our state for the amount that he was writing them for is a felony of itself. 8 employees multiplied by 3 payroll cycles is almost 23 felony counts for passing a bad check, since my buddy failed at 2 cycles. Repeat offense of being a felon in possession of a firearm, if that's not bad enough. When his probation officer came knocking the check on these allegations, he also found drugs sufficient to get him for possession of controlled substances with intent to distribute. Multiple different drugs, so multiple counts of that too. For those keeping score at home, if he was convicted of all these counts, he would be looking at roughly an additional 30 felonies. Easily enough to keep him in jail for a very long time. Now, if this were petty revenge, that's where things would have stopped. But no, you see, the state has this fund that all employers pay tax into. It's a fund for those in a situation where the company goes out of business, writes bad checks for their employees, etc. And it's administered by the state labor board. So they pay out to cover the lost wages of the employees. But the state is not benevolent in this. Oh no. You see, in order to attempt to recoup their losses, they can seize company assets. And in the case of a poorly